We're never alone, guys, in this world. Definitely not in the garden. Here's my mate, my companion, as I work today in the garden, doing some chores. The chore happens to be the red camellia tree that fell over in the storm. Remember that? About a month ago. Well, today I've dedicated almost half the day in using that tree as mulch around the garden. In this instance, the black sapote. So that's what's going on. Here you can see what I've already done. The pomegranate tree, and over there too, the two main pomegranates that I have. All by hand, not by machine. The 5 papaya trees, hopefully they'll benefit from this and it'll make a difference. The 2 persimmons that I got from Daly's last summer. Right, where is it? That one there. And this one here. As I said, the papayas, which are still hanging in. Still hanging in. But July is the big test, guys. It's really gonna be life and death by the end of July. We'll find out soon. And the carob tree, I also use the mulch from the red camellia, a 30-year-old camellia tree. In case you missed it, you can go back and check it out during that horrible, scary storm we had here at Fruitopia. Not all parts of Melbourne got it, but I sure did. And don't want to see that again. So this is where the camellia was. It's similar to that camellia there, my neighbor's one, and the other one that I have, which didn't collapse. Right? So we're talking big trees. Very big. Right? So it was right here. So I'm just picking up all the branches today after a month of just letting them decompose. And look how close it was to the gas meter. Huh? Right there. Jeez. It just missed it. So anyway, that's what's going on. And as I said, you're never alone. Kim, of course, is my life partner, but she's doing her own thing indoors. And I can't expect her to piggyback off me 24/7 and vice versa. So this is my companion today. Hang on, where is he? He's always out here looking for worms. It's a magpie. Beautiful, huh? He's looking for worms. Very friendly, very confident. I haven't given him a name though. Maggie? How about Maggie? Maggie the magpie. Oh, there he goes through the hedge and out to the street. So yeah, you gotta put the work in. You gotta put the work in for results. Recently I got a private message in Instagram by a viewer, and he asked me again, it's the same question, but how? But how? How do you do it? How can you, are you lucky? Is it luck? Yeah, there's a little luck. Of course there's a little luck. There's a little luck in everything. Even when you walk to the, walk on the street, there's a little luck that you won't get run over or have a meteorite fall on you. There's a little luck there too. But guys, the luck aspect is only like, well, anywhere from 1% to 5%. 90+% of it is doing this, getting on your hands and knees and breaking all this up. Click, 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 click. Use tools if you're not able to use your hands, and do the work. Mulch, feed, protect, and repeat over and over and over. Here you go. Papayas here. Did those too. See that? Gonna do the mandarin next. Not the mandarin, the Caracara orange. That's next, right in here. Don't have to do it. Don't have to. But it helps. Every little bit helps. I can be inside instead, watching TV, instead of doing something that isn't necessary. But I want to give it, what was it? Not luck. It's not luck, guys. I want to give it extra opportunity to get through, or extra chance to get through winter. And these are the cuttings from the white sapotes, which I also did today. I butchered the white sapotes because they were hanging down, the fruit. If you noticed, look how low I went. See that? The fruit was hanging on the ground, and I didn't like that. So I cut all the lower branches. Cut, cut, cut. And there was a lot of them. And now look at the space. Let's get down here. Wow. Look at all the room I got now. Underneath the white sapote. At least 3 feet, almost a meter, underneath the tree. So nothing's going to hang on the ground now. I lifted it up there. And gave it to the papaya or whatever other tree you wish. Right? And here's another white sapote, the Hawaiian Supreme, my favorite one. Right, look how much clearance there is now with that. Also around 3 feet, almost a meter. So nothing's going to be touching the ground. Now I can mow with a lawnmower underneath without bouncing into the fruit. And lastly, guys, I sprayed the peach trees with copper for preventing leaf curl in spring. See how it's all white? That's the spray. That's the only spray I do, by the way, on my trees for leaf curl. This is optional, but you're going to regret it when you got a million leaves all crinkling up and fruit falling off your peach or nectarine. So we did that, and did the other one too. And you do this 2 or 3 times. At the end of winter, in the middle of winter, and at the very end of winter. In other words, you try to squeeze in 3 sprays or 2 sprays before bud swell. Before these swell. These swell, depending on the variety, anywhere from the end of July to the beginning of August in my locale. This super dwarf sunset peach is the first one to wake up, and it wakes up now in the middle of winter. So I sprayed that as well just before the buds opened. They're about to open any day now. You can even see the leaf spur is coming. Amazing, huh? In winter. This is a subtropical variety of peach, the sunset peach. It's already waking up in July, which is January in America. And there it is there. There's the first bud, flower bud, ready to come this week, either tomorrow or the day after. So I just caught it with a spray. Yep, to prevent leaf curl. This is an early variety that comes in early summer. Yep. Peach. So back to work I go. Just thought I would chime in and share with you guys what I get up to between breaks and between my food videos on my other channel. Oh yeah, I'm not just laying on the couch. I'm out here, guys, doing what needs to be done all year, not just today. This is every single month of the year. Winter, summer, spring, autumn. Always doing what needs to be done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you from the next video.